Hi guys, welcome back. I want to quickly talk about fonts. As a designer, we have to use fonts on a daily basis. They are quite expensive. You have to build up a library. There's various ones you can buy. There's various shareware, which are okay, but you have to be careful. Some aren't for commercial use. So you do have to be careful with these fonts. You're not allowed to just knock them around and share them. So I've got an application called Suitcase Fusion. It's a great application for managing fonts. I have an extensive font library these days because I've been in the industry for some time now. But if you're just getting going, or if you're not just getting going, there is a great application called Skyfonts. So let's take a look at Skyfonts. So type Skyfonts into Google, into your browser. You will get a couple of links because it's from the main font providers. So Monotype does it, fonts.com does it. Let's click on Monotype, download the installer Skyfonts. Here it is. Nice quick download. This is a completely free application. Here it is. Double click, install. Here we have accept. As you can see up here, it's installing. This program does link to the main font providers, but you can actually bypass them and you can link to Google Fonts. And by linking to Google Fonts, you get a nice little screen where you can select Google Fonts, you can see them, you can see what they are, and you can install these directly onto your machine and use them for your design work. So here you can select a provider here, as you can see, but we want to skip that and go straight to this part at the bottom. View all Google Fonts. All done. Thank you, Skyfonts. And you can see it gives you this nice selection area. So here you can actually go in and you can select whatever font you like from Google. As you can see, it links it to your Skyfonts application. You've got every single font Google does. So here, let's just have a look at this one. Add the entire family. Add. Here you get your notification of Skyfonts. And here it is. 5 fonts. Let's just show you that in InDesign. And show you that it does work. So it's just a quick test. Here's your type panel. And here's the font we just installed. There you go. And you have the entire family. Light, regular, medium, bold, semi-bold. Done. There you go, guys. This application is very nice. It's free. Download it. You can install fonts nice and easily and use them for your design work. Hope you enjoyed.